for our comp bench final, we decided to do a smart home slash smart home security system. And so, just to get you guys started, if you come a bit closer, I'm going to show you what our smart home starts off with. So the very first thing, we'll start off with the Porsche, right? And one thing that we notice in the real world is that it's not so common to have like smart lighting. So every time it gets dark, you have to turn your Porsche light on. It's not automatic. And so with that, we went with smart Porsche lighting. And so, Edward, so as you can see, it turns on when it detects that it's really dark, and it turns off. And then, so there you go. Yep. And so that's our smart home lighting for the Porsche. And so up next, we're gonna focus on the lock. And so the lock is designed so there's a correct password. And if you enter the incorrect password, this will happen. The alarm will buzz and there's gonna be a red LED that turns on. And so if you enter the right password, right, then the green light's gonna come on and then the door's gonna open automatically for you. So our correct password is very generic, 1234. And then as you can see, the door opened. And so now that we step into the house, you're gonna notice that we have a simple light switch here. And that was just to go with the theme of the house, right? We're using LED bulbs, and you can just simply turn it on and off, just like that. And these are actually pretty bright LEDs. And so now let's go into the ambient lighting that comes with our house. So we're going to be using an Android app that we found online, and our code is integrated around the app. So we're going to start off by connecting to the Bluetooth device, and so which is right there. So once we connect to that, we can adjust the colors of the house. So whatever mood lighting you want, you can have it. And so the very last feature that we're gonna cover in our house is the safe room. So if you look right here, this is gonna be our safe room, okay? So if you have anything valuable, let's say your phone, you can leave it in the safe room, and no one can grab it without sounding the alarm. So in order to activate the safe room, you have to leave your house, like a common thing. And so this sensor right here, this ultrasonic sensor, that's gonna kick in when you leave the house. And so when you're leaving the house, you're gonna come around here, you're gonna press this button, and when you leave the house and you press this button, it's gonna open the door, you walk out, and then your house is gonna go into lockdown mode. And so when it goes into lockdown mode, it activates a safe room. So I'm gonna press this button, and now we're in lockdown mode. So now if I go and try grabbing my phone, there's gonna be an alarm that rings. And if you take a better look, again, at what happens in the front of the house, the red LED is gonna go on, and there's gonna be a buzzer. And so the only way to deactivate it is by coming to the front, and like say you get back home, you're just gonna enter your PIN, and now the smart lockdown feature is gonna get deactivated. And so overall, this was our project. We're definitely gonna add on more features to our house, but hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.